Hi everybody, in today's video we're going to talk about adjustments, and we're not going to talk about the regular adjustments which you see everywhere. We're going to talk about something different, something powerful. Let's start all the fun now. If trade go wrong, then we must adjust the trade using time. What exactly do I mean by this? I'm going to tell you that. Obviously, I'm going to show you as well if trade go against us, if we do the regular adjustments versus what you learn in this video, which adjustment everyone uses and how to upgrade it, and number two, without naked selling and extra high capital. Let me make an example of a bear put spread, and then we're gonna talk more. So here we are on an option simulator right now. We have selected the monthly series, and what we do is that we look to buy a call and then we look to sell a call. The adjustment which you're going to learn in next few minutes, you can use it across multiple strategies. And I've picked a strategy which is obviously one of the most popular strategies called the bear put spread, as you can see over here. What it tells you that if market go against you, obviously it's not a trade recommendation. I've made an example of a bear put. You can also try in the bull call spread as well. In that, we're going to buy a call and then we're going to sell. Here, we're doing exact opposite of it. So what does it tell you? That if market go in the favor, then what do you see? It's 1852. If market against us, then what do we see is the red minus 1398. Very popular, right? But this one has an issue. The issue is that if markets start to go against us, then let me tell you, the adjustment which public trades, the adjustment which is super popular. There are probably, I don't know how many videos you can find online, what everybody's talking about. Let me show you what they talk about. If market go against you, then what do? You come on the same option chain and then you look to sell out of the money put. What everybody talks about is that if market go against us, then the upside, obviously because we sold the put, so upside doesn't seems to be having much of an issue. But what nobody talks about, what if market reverts back? Also, I want to ask, when you selling an extra put, isn't this require an extra margin? When you sell a naked put, and what if market gives you a big fat gap down, then what's gonna happen? Now, adjustments can be of many kinds, but there is a difference between professional adjustment and adjustments just for the sake of it. We want to adjust this, but we don't want to take an extra risk of selling the put, which doesn't make much of a sense to me, or using an extra capital to do it. Also, what if market gap down the next day? Then what's going to happen? So this kind of adjustments, which obviously is online and everybody knows these adjustments, we really have nothing to do with this kind of adjustments. You come on this channel, even you know, and I know as well. Why do you come on this channel? You want to learn something different out of the box. So what do? I've got an example ready for you. Let me load that for you. You and me, we're going to talk about nitty-gritties of it. So here we are, the testing time. Let's see, let's compare together. Okay. So we have taken the monthly and obviously the same spread, market gone up, just an example. And what do we see? That we having some kind of a loss here. Maximum loss is minus 1533. That means already 33% of loss market has given you in 1 day. Now, obviously, I'm not going to sell up out of the money put, of course. What we can do is, out of these two puts, which leg is giving us loss? Obviously, the leg which we bought. This is a monthly series. So naturally, 26,000 put December is giving us loss. How much? 141 put became 67. What I'm going to do is I'm going to book this. Let me do that for you. So here we go, 67.75. Remember the heading of the video I told you, we got to use time. Now what do we do now? We open option chain, but we are not using the same month option chain. Listen to this very carefully. We're going to go to the next month now, which is January, obviously, and we look to long the same put of 26,000. I repeat. Let me show it to you. It will be even clear. So I'll open the option chain, and option chain of January, as you can see. Same strike. I'm sure many of you must be, learning it for the first time. Here we go. And when you do this, how this looks something like this now. Interesting, right? Very interesting. How come? Let me show you again. We exited the put in the current month, and then we went to the next month, longed the same put. Clear? So far, is it clear? Yes. Now let's see what happens with this trade as we move ahead in this, right? Probably a week to expiry now. So this is more like a weekly trade. And what do we see is that exactly a week, and market hovered around a bit, and markets come down a bit, etc., right, a little bit. And what do we see? That the trade has bounced back. Now suppose if we do not do this adjustment, if we just stick to the same spread, then what's going to happen? Most of you must be thinking that market gone up and then market gone down, so even the original put spread would be in profit. Yes, let me load the same strike and let's clear this point. So here we are exactly on the same date, same time, same strike, same price, 141, 121. Previous example, same 141, 121. So absolutely same, no difference. Let's see now. Weekly expiry. Let's see what happens, right? Monday has come now, and suppose if we do not do this adjustment and we hold on to the trade, right? And the trade is going bullish or bearish, etc., etc. Now Monday has come now. Same time, 9:30. 1 week has gone. And what do we see here is that if we do not do this adjustment, what do we see here is that the trade is in negative. But after doing this adjustment, I have two questions for you. Question number one, have you increased your margin just like when you sell a naked put? The example which I gave you previously, right? This example where we sold a put, extra put. Remember, right? Out of the money, paying extra margin, taking a lot of risk and going completely directional. Versus this, the reason is when you flip from 1 month to next month or 1 week to next week, I'm doing it in the put. We can do it in the call as well. When you flip it, we literally are buying extra time for ourselves. 1 month extra. Plus the sold leg, we are not touching it. So sold leg will have more theta decay. How about that? This theta decay is the current series. So everybody know that the current series decays much faster than the next series. So if things go with us, for example, this is the original trade, right? If things start to go with us, then we are not touching. We simply just square off the trade whenever we like to. But when things go against us, then instead of holding on to the trade or selling a put, we simply just move it. We flip it. Now, food for thought for you. Which all strategies do you like? Have you thought about this? For example, you may like iron fly. Well, I can make a video of that. That's going to be super elaborated. Let me see. If you request for that, then maybe I can make other strategy videos based on flipping on time. But which leg to flip, when to flip it, that is what is something which is very interesting. Now on this channel, I've made a video of Fibonacci trading just a couple of days back. You must see it, watch it, learn it. Also in the past, I've made iron fly videos. Obviously, when I make videos, I'm not going to talk about general stuff. Obviously, I'm going to talk about professional ways of trading into the options. Two things I told you beginning of the video. Number one, I told you about the adjustment which everybody do. Number two, I told you about the naked selling which require higher capital to adjust the trade when we're doing it. That's the exact reason why I tell you hit and trial way of trading one must completely avoid into the markets. Always better. Upgrade your methods, upgrade your strategies, learn something better just like you're learning right now. You can like the video, let YouTube know that you're interested to watch videos like this and you understand such concepts. I could have also just showed you selling and put out of the money and hey, we're done with the adjustments. But no, something different using the same margin. I wish you all the very best. Thanks for watching. Take care. Signing off. Bye-bye.